There you go. And it definitely feels like summer now.
It's a beautiful night tonight. We get to enjoy these longer days that we have. It's actually crazy how late the sunset is here. If you've lived anywhere else in the country, it's like after 9 p.m. We'll have that for, of course, a little bit longer, and then we start to see those minutes gradually taper off. It's going to take a while for that, thankfully.
Yeah, it's still nice to have it for a while now.
It is, it is. So if we do take a look at our sunrise and sunset for today, our sunrise this morning was at 6:20. Our sunset this evening, 9:09. That's about as late as it gets, 9:09, 9:10 between now and much of July. And then the sunset starts to, of course, get a little bit earlier through August, September, and so on. But hopefully you've been able to get out and enjoy this beautiful Friday. Low humidity, mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions, a light breeze at times coming in from the northwest. Tonight's looking nice. Saturday is looking nice. Sunday, we are monitoring for the chance for storms. I know that's the last thing anybody wants, but the chance for storms, some of which could be on the stronger side, especially off to the west of 65 Sunday evening into Sunday night. And then just rounds of rain that will take us into Monday morning before we do dry out Monday afternoon, evening, Monday night. Just looking at pop-up storm chances then Wednesday onward. But severe weather outlook, we are included for Sunday into Sunday night. It's currently a level 1 out of 5. I would not be surprised if we start to see this yellow box start to shift our way a little bit more because we are watching a warm front that's going to lift, a strong area of low pressure, and then a cold front that will slide in. That's kind of your recipe for some stronger storms. And because, of course, the ground is so saturated from earlier in the week, it won't take as much for heavy rain and flash flooding to become an issue. So your excessive rainfall outlook, slight risk for Sunday into Sunday night, and then continuing into Monday before tapering off from there. So we are still watching the storm surveys that the National Weather Service are conducting after the Wednesday night into Thursday morning severe weather. We have the confirmed tornado up in Jackson County, EF1, winds of 110 miles per hour near Freetown. And then this one continues to lengthen. So now starting in Scott County, taking us through Jefferson County down to Trimble County as a preliminary EF1. That could cross over into EF2 territory at some point along the path. Waiting to hear more information from the National Weather Service, and they were out surveying some damage in Jefferson County, Kentucky today, but so far no tornado damage found. Now your hour-by-hour futurecast for your Friday evening, Friday night, once again very nice, upper 70s, low 80s, a light breeze, low humidity. Temperatures tonight will fall into the 60s. You'll notice a little bit of green on the map tomorrow on the futurecast. Couple of sprinkles or maybe a very stray shower, but most of your day should be dry and pleasant with highs climbing into the mid 80s by the afternoon and a northwest breeze. Now your futurecast beyond that for Sunday, you'll notice we start off dry. Warm front lifts though, and that could bring us some storms in the afternoon before we get this complex by Sunday evening into Sunday night. And some rain will linger into the first half of Monday before we do dry things out. So just keep a close eye on the forecast as we carry on into the weekend. In the meantime, enjoy the nice weather tonight, the nice weather on Saturday. Once again, storm chances second half of Sunday into Monday. And then the rest of next week, just going to see maybe a pop-up chance Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the 80s.